Before you use your Rumble Tuff breast pump for the first time, you must disassemble and boil all parts of the Expression Collection combo kit and the manual diaphragm kit. Wash your hands thoroughly before handling the Expression Collection combo kit, the electric breast pump, the manual pump kit, or any Expression Collection parts or attachments. Do not boil the tubing and tubing adapter. Boil the parts for 5 minutes. Be sure to use enough water to keep all parts afloat while boiling. Remove all parts from the water immediately after sterilizing. To avoid scalds and burns, do not touch the product with bare hands after sterilizing. Completely air dry or towel dry the parts before reassembling. Please ensure that all parts are completely dry before use. Partially dry components may affect the performance of your electric breast pump.